Hey guys, so today I have got a really quick little haul video to show you. At Halloween time, this company asked me if they could send me a couple of things to show in my Halloween haul video, but for some bizarre reason it didn't arrive until December. So I'm gonna just do a really quick little video because I feel bad that they sent these things to me and I've not shown them. There's only a couple things, it's not going to be a long video, but these are from a company called Numskull. They make stuff for loads of different shops, so I know that like Zavvi and shops like that sell Numskull stuff, but this is kind of directly from them themselves. So it's just a couple of horror bits, and we've got some pins, a jumper and some little rubber ducks. So I'll start with the pins first. These ones are some It Chapter 2 pins, and there is 2 in here. We've got one, I'm going to take them out of this actually because it's shiny and you can't see it very well. I would rather you saw it properly. So there is one which says Time to Float. It's a little balloon and it's got a chain with the little boat on it down here. And then the other one says Home at Last with the Pennywise house on there. So that is the It Chapter 2 pins. Very nice. Then next we've got some Beetlejuice pins. Again, there is 2 in here. And we have got a I Myself Am Strange and Unusual Lydia one, and then a Lydia and Beetlejuice kind of pop art sort of looking one. So that is both of the Beetlejuice pins. And then the last pins we have are some Ghostbusters ones. We went to watch the new Ghostbusters at New Year and I really liked it, so I'm kind of into Ghostbusters at the minute. We've got the Stay Puft Man and the little Slimer. So that is what they look like. Again, super good quality, really detailed. You can tell that these are like really good quality pins. They are really big as well. And they just have these little push-on backs on them. So yeah, that is all of the pins I got. Then next I'll show you the 2 ducks I got. So these are called tubs and they come in these little like plastic baths at the bottom. So this one is Chucky, obviously, as you can see. I will get it out in a minute so you can see it a little bit better, but this one's called Scarred Chucky. I guess you could either put them in the bathroom or use them sort of as like a decor horror kind of piece if you wanted. So I will open this and show you him. So like I said, they come in this little bath. It says Chucky on it, which is really cute. And this is the duck itself. It's actually really cute and detailed for a little duck, honestly. It says Good Guys on there with his little dungarees and stuff. Very cute. So that is our little Chucky duck. And then the other duck, which I think is my favourite one actually, is a little Gremlins stripe duck. So again, I'll quickly show you him properly. The little bath says Gremlins. You could use these for something else, honestly. You could use it as like a little trinket tray or something. And then this is the little stripe duck. Very creepy looking. I just think this one's face is cooler because it looks more like a gremlin. Chucky did look quite duck-like, but this one's very gremlin-like, so he's pretty cool. And that is that one. And then the very last thing I've got to show you from them is a jumper. So that is the design up there, Numskull. So I'm gonna just open it and show you because it's super crinkly and you can't see the design when it's in here. So I will just open it. I actually haven't had this out yet to look at it properly. So this is an It Chapter 2 kind of like an ugly Christmas jumper sort of horror sweater. So it has the balloon on the front with the two different Pennywise heads in it, kind of half and half. One is a skeleton sort of looking one and one is the normal one. Then it has the kids at the bottom and the little boats. The arms match, so they kind of like go alongside. One arm says time to float, so that's really cute. And it's got like these little hands at the bottom. The other arm says, does it say the same? Yeah, the other arm also says time to float. And then on the back it says come back and play. And again it has some kind of drippy balloons and a little Pennywise face. So it isn't a Christmas sweater, it is just a normal like daily sweater, but it's got that kind of like ugly Christmas vibe to it, I guess. It's super thick, way thicker than I was expecting, honestly. Really well made. Definitely gonna keep this. I know it's kind of ugly looking, but I think it's really cute. I love everything. The pins are amazing as well. The Ghostbusters and the It ones are my favourite, definitely. So I'll be keeping an eye out for other designs that they have of those. But yeah, I know it was a really quick little video, but this was just a haul for Numskull. So I'll put all the information for them down below in case you want to go and check them out. I know they've got loads more horror ducks of all different characters and stuff. So you'll have to let me know if you go and pick any up. But yeah, I hope you liked this video anyway. If you did, please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.